Can you see all these little birds? I was just taking photos of the sky and they flew in a huge flourish, which I missed. And here they are sitting on the roof. Now there are hundreds of them. Not quite. Isn't that marvellous? There's loads of them. They're going to take off in a minute. The camera will just stay in focus until they take off. They're sitting so quiet, they're watching me. It's, I suppose if you don't like, I love birds. If you don't like birds, you would think of the Tippi Hedren film The Birds, Hitchcock. But I just love birds. They're beautiful. Come on, wee fellas. You've had your rest. Get flying. They're going to keep me waiting. And just at the moment the camera goes out of focus, off they'll go. There's so many of them. Oh.